National Feed Mill Limited is in the business of manufacturing, producing, processing, buying, selling, converting of feeds of poultry, fishery, and duckery. Production of all kinds of eggs, livestock, hybrid poultry, and purchase and sale of hencock, duck, all types of cattle, goat, sheep, etc. Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome back to my channel Nfml to this company National Feed Mill Limited Nfml. Sector miscellaneous. Let's start fundamental analysis and financial modeling evaluation by analyzing income statement. Turnover was 150 crore BDT in the year 2017. Subsequent years 120 crore, 78, 76, 121, 65 and 58 crore BDT in the year 2023. Revenue growth rate was 20% negative in 2018, later minus 35%, minus 2%, jumping in 2021 58%, minus 47% and minus 11% in 2023. Gross profit margin was 12%, operating margin was 9%. Net income 0.2 crore, net profit margin 0.3%. Company's EPS was 1.11 in 2017, later 0.56, 0.15, 0.17, 0.18, 0.08, 0.02 in 2023. Company's share price was 25.7 in 2017, later 13, 10, 8.7, 36.9, 18.4 and 17.6 in 2023. Company paid no dividend in last year. Debt equity ratio is 0.5 times. Based on the first quarterly statement and other company's revenue growth rate estimated as 4% as forecast. Gross profit margin was given 11%, operating margin given 7%. With that, company's estimated EPS is minus 0.06. Subsequent years, I'm giving revenue growth rates 9, 13, 11 and ultimately it will hit GDP growth rate 6%. And gross profit margin will be 13% and 10% operating margin. And with that, company's estimated EPS is 0.04, 0.05, 0.13 and 0.15. National Feed Mill income statement and 5-year forecast. Balance sheet. Total asset was 162 crore and currently it is 181 crore. Current asset 150 crore. Total debt 59 crore. Capex only 26 lakh was capex. Net asset value was 13.9. Currently it is 11.8. As per my estimate, it will ultimately reach 12.1. Balance sheet of National Feed Mill. Cash flows are positive, was about 3 crore. ROCAPS 0.3. Let's check ratios. Current ratio 4.38, quick 2.68, ROE positive still. Company's P ratio was 23.2, 24, 71, 51, 205, 224 and 877 currently in 2023. And with the latest annualized PS, we can get P ratio negative. Price to book 1.4 times. Vertical analysis. The company's sales is 100 taka, cost of goods sold 88, gross profit 12, bottom line 0.3. It was 5421 level previously. As per my estimate, it will be 0.9 negative in 2024 and ultimately it will be 1 and 2 for the upcoming years. National Feed Mill vertical analysis. Schedules. Capex schedule are like this. Depreciation 1.4 crore, Debt schedule are like this with 5-year estimates, working capital schedule and cash conversion cycle are given here. Let's check WACC, which is average cost of capital. As per my calculation is 9.3%, equity 65%, debt is 35%, market cap 148, free float 70, promoters are holding 30%. And with that 9.3% WACC and terminal growth rate given 1%, free cash flow to firm estimates are like this. Company's intrinsic value via DCF approach is 21.8, latest price 15.8, floor price 12.5, telling me I can invest. Sensitivity table given here, important numbers. Some more DCF via regression forecasting, valuing negative. Dividend discount model, I'm expecting 10% dividend in 2028, and these are in between dividends, telling me not to buy. Interest equal 9.7. Relative valuation, if you buy sales, implied share price 17.1, telling me I can buy. If you buy with the implied share price 2.5, telling me not to buy. PE, latest annualized EPS is negative, so it's negative, telling me not to buy. And latest NAV 11.7, and with the based on sector median price to book, implied share price we get is 20 taka, telling me I can buy. When the HMS score, forensic accounting checking, company's account was clean and green, not manipulated, even with the COVID time. Good. Piotrowski gave score profitability checking. Company is an average company. Altman Z score bankruptcy checking. Company is in safe zone. No chance of bankruptcy in the near future. Football field. Latest price 15.8 shown in the dotted line. And all the other valuation and pricing figures are given here. So this concludes the financial modeling and valuation practice with National Feed Mills, Nfml. Hope we have gathered some insight about the company. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing. Ta-da!